Hello and welcome to this tutorial about how to create group discussion topics in Canvas. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to your course navigation menu and click on the Discussions tab. You are now going to click on the blue Add Discussion button. Give your discussion a topic title. Add any information you would like in the space provided below, and click on This is a group discussion. Select your group category. You may also choose from a variety of other options on this page. Once you've made your decisions, click the blue Save button. This will bring you to the group discussion page. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thank you so much and have a great day.